As a custom apparel heat printer, it's really important to think outside of the box in different products that you can be offering your customers. This not only helps broaden your reach for different markets, but will certainly help serve different purposes in this industry. One of the top things in this industry for decorating or customizing for your customers outside of apparel is hard goods. And if you do any type of research on what type of promotional products and hard goods out there are extremely popular, you will notice that drinkware is certainly at the top part of that list. And as a heat printer, you need to consider what options you have out there to be able to customize these different products and be able to serve your customers best way possible. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can decorate 3 really popular styles. So of course we have Yeti in the mix. We're also going to customize a basic tumbler with the Starbucks logo, which is really popular. And then we have the simple modern mug that has that really cool ombre effect. We're starting to see, not honestly starting to see, this is a trend that's been around for a long time. So as a heat printer, without the additional investment of different equipment or anything like that, how can you print these different styles of drinkware? That's what we're going to be talking today. So I always like to break things out by good, better, best, right? It's a really good marketing strategy, especially if you are introducing different styles of an item to one customer, right? So everybody has different price points. You want to make sure that you're able to reach those different price points. So I selected this really popular drinkware tumbler. I see this trending across social media and Etsy and online customizing stores where people are just adding patterns or personalization to this very simple mug. All right. So again, this is a Starbucks tumbler. It is a reusable cup. And this was sourced from Amazon. So it comes in a pack of 3 for $11.99. So roughly $4 per drink. And the easiest way to be able to personalize this is with sign vinyl, right? So I already have a little template cut out that was sourced from Kelly Creates. She does really awesome free artwork templates that fit these cups. So that is where I grabbed this little SVG file, and we're going to go ahead and apply this now so that you can see how this works. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is be able to stabilize my cup to ensure that it's not going to be rolling around on me. So I'm just dropping a t-shirt here on this flat surface. I'm just using a desk, and I am going to remove my sign vinyl from its backing. I did have to do some additional trimming to this design, which I'm sure you'll notice as I'm placing it. I just went a little too large for this particular cup. So just keep in mind to double check your widths and everything for your template to ensure that it's matching this exact cup, because there are a few different styles. So basically what I'm going to do is just start with the center of my sign vinyl and get that nice and close to that circle. That is going to be my start point for where all of my sign vinyl lays throughout. Now, before I go through and just apply all of it at once, what I'm going to do is let each side just kind of drop to the side. And I'm just going to, I can either use my fingers or I can use a squeegee for this process, but I'm just going to start from the center and work my way out, making sure that the sign vinyl is sticking exactly where I need it to. All right, and to smooth that out, I'm just going to take my thumb and go over each piece, making sure that it is sticking exactly where it needs to. And I basically just keep repeating that step until I make it all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and place this side down, making sure I'm starting from where it was stuck on the front and working my way out. Going to use a squeegee for that and go over with my finger as well. This is really just helping to get out any air bubbles or anything that could cause the adhesive to not really stick on there very well. Right, and you'll notice that this is going to overlap, which is totally okay. This is a layerable heat transfer, or not heat transfer vinyl, but sign vinyl. So it's okay that it does overlap there. I would rather it overlap in the back as opposed to not meet up or match. Right, and at that point, we can go ahead and remove the masking that the sign vinyl was on. And I'm just going to go nice and slow just to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So up here, I did miss sticking that down. I'm just going to continue to go nice and slow, making sure each piece is stuck. And we have our completed customized Starbucks cup. And we can complete it by putting in the straw and closing the lid that comes with each cup. The sign vinyl that we're using is the Stahls CAD Cut pressure sensitive heat transfer vinyl in color rose gold. So this is a super simple process, and you can imagine just how much more profit opportunity you can achieve by actually adding personalization, such as initials, a name, a monogram, anything like that with the sign vinyl. Now, a little bit about sign vinyl and how this works as far as washes go. This is a hand wash only product. So keep that in mind. This isn't something your customer would want to throw in their dishwasher because they'll start to notice lifting a little bit. It does happen after a few washes. So if they happen to throw it in there and not think about it, that could happen. Now, also keep in mind, not only to consider the material that's going on the mug or tumbler, but also if the mug or tumbler itself is dishwasher safe. Not sure about this one, but again, it will list that in the description from where these were sourced from Amazon, and we'll be sure to link that in the description of this video. So check that out there. Now, a little bit about profit opportunity for those of you that aren't familiar with these cups and how popular these are right now. They're selling for roughly $15 to $18 based on the personalization or the custom application that's being sold on them. So that'll give you a general idea of how much profit opportunity you have. So once again, these were $11.99, sourced from Amazon. They came in a 3-pack, so I paid roughly $4 for a piece for these, and then we have less than $1 in material cost here. So keep that in mind. Selling anywhere for $15 to $18. So that gives you a good idea of how much profit opportunity you have there, right? So that is our first example of how you can easily custom print or personalize on drinkware for your customers that you're currently doing apparel for with your heat press. Additionally, so we did talk about the simple modern mug, which is a very popular style. I have purchased this one in the ombre moonlight color, but this style is super popular. This is a nice insulated mug. It has the cap on the top that pops open and closes so that it's keeping that drink nice and warm whenever it's just sitting off to the side. A step up from single color heat transfer vinyl is our decal sticker products. So you can actually upload full color, photorealistic artwork, and we will send you this ready to stick on to whatever hard good that you are customizing for your customer. So all we're gonna do is just remove the backing from this. And that's going to expose the adhesive. This is a super durable adhesive on the back of here. And then you can apply it to the mug, which we're gonna do now. All right, so you'll notice that this is going to apply very similarly to how the single color sign vinyl or pressure sensitive vinyl did. So what I'm gonna do is start from the center and work my way out and just put pressure onto that so that it is getting a nice firm application there. And then this is pretty much just a masking tape. So we'll just remove that. And I just love how these custom decals turn out on drinkware. I think the gloss finish is very nice and complements these styles of drinkware very well. Now, I will say when it comes to customizing these styles of drinkware, it's commonly laser etched, all right? So that gives you an idea of the finish of customization that you could be competing against. Now, there is no reason that a full color logoed image on drinkware shouldn't be able to sell as just as much, if not more, because you're able to add full color on here in comparison to the laser etched sell prices. Now, a little bit about this simple modern mug, once again, sourced from Amazon, which we will drop a link to in the description. But this sold for $15.99 by itself. Okay, so we are taking that to the next step. Remember, good, better, best. This was our good option. This is our better option. Being able to have a nice insulated higher end mug with a full color logo on there. So I'm seeing these laser etched customized pieces of this style sell for $24. All right, so that gives you an idea of a good price point that you could represent to your customer and show them just what you're able to do for them for that price. And I just love how this turned out. I think this is a really cool solution to be able to just get a transfer of and be able to customize a nice drinkware set like this. Next level is the Yeti, of course, and I wanted to make sure we went all out for the print style or customized style that we are going to put on this, and that is called FlexStyle. All right, so you can see that this is a dimensional product, very 3D, has nice texture and feel to it, has debossing and embossing effects throughout, and you can see metallic in there, and you can achieve a ton of different colors. So let's show you how that applies so easily onto this copper Yeti mug. All right, so FlexStyle is super simple to work with. We're just gonna remove the backing that the FlexStyle comes on. You can actually see a lot of the texture of the FlexStyle from the backing. And we're just gonna flip this over, and just like we did with our other two products, we're just gonna start from the center and place that right on there. Right now, I use a lot of pressure with this, and I go over it several times to make sure that I'm getting out any air bubbles or anything. With this product, you want to keep in mind that you do want to let the adhesive really cure onto the hard good that you are applying it to. So this isn't something that I would just stick on and then hand right over to the customer. I would let it sit 3 hours minimum. The longer that adhesive has to set and cure on to this substrate, the longer it's just going to create more durability in the product. This is a dishwasher safe product, which again is really next level for being able to just transfer on a print to a hard good. And you can just tell by the texture of this product, the quality and the price point that you are able to set for this type of logoed design. Okay, so let's talk about the price point of the Yeti and the FlexStyle finish on there. So with Yeti, there are a variety of different price points for sourcing the blank. Copper is definitely one of those higher priced items for a 20-ounce insulated cup. So this was sourced from Amazon for $34.99 for the copper. If you did want to drop that price point so that you can build a more profit opportunity for yourself, you can just go with some of the other flat, matte, standard colors. So these are being sold laser etched for $40 to $45. Okay, so laser etch does not really compete with this level of detail, color variation, metallic, and just the ability to get a dimensional product onto a hard good like this and it be dishwasher safe and not something that's going to pick right off. All right, so once again, we want to let that set on there and really allow that adhesive to cure. But once it's on there for good. And when I say dishwasher safe, that's top shelf. So do keep that in mind if you are going to offer a product like this for your customers. So once again, custom Yeti mugs that are laser etched are being sold from $40 to $45. I think that this surpasses what a laser etched finish looks like. So I wouldn't be surprised if we were able to warrant a higher price point, such as $50 to $55. FlexStyle just really hits it out of the ballpark with the effect that you're able to build in your customer's logo, which increases value of this product. All right, so to review, 3 drinkware styles that I think are a great addition to your custom apparel business so that you can offer things outside of the apparel box. So again, we have our basic plastic Starbucks cup done with single color sign vinyl. We stepped it up a notch by introducing an ombre insulated mug, and we incorporated full color transfers on this so that we can add some dimension and color on there and really bring a customer's logo to life. And then we really kicked it up a notch with FlexStyle and offering it on a high-end drinkware brand and really just adding a unique value to a customer's logo. For more information on all the products you saw in this video, be sure to visit the description for links to each of the items used. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.